Alright, so we continue from where we stopped. If you understand how best you can install our WordPress, it's without stress. And the next thing is for us to check how best we can configure our WordPress website so it can be be ready for our development, our website development. So it takes a little effort in doing this. So all what you just have to do first, whenever you've installed the WordPress and you are here at the back end, the first thing that should come to your mind is how best can I clean the website? Because I said earlier that there are default configuration that comes with WordPress installation. So that's why whenever you want to start your website, first make sure that everything is clean up before you start. So now you can see here that we have one post, one comment, one page. Meanwhile, and 2025 team. Meanwhile, we have not yet done anything on the website. It's just the default files and files that comes with the WordPress installation. All right, so first thing, let's go there. So let's start with the settings first. Now in the settings we have different thing here. Though I'm gonna come back to the white the other things, but let's go to permalinks now because WordPress settings as okay, yeah. All right. Sometimes you can see here that we have permalink structure. So this permalink is just how your links are being configured. So we have different examples. If you have the plane will always have this, and we know that it's not right for our page to be having this encoded value. It's not right, or yeah, our link to be having numbers and this. So that's why post name should be the one. Say post name is very clean, just of the website and the page exactly. So if it's that your page is the name of the page is about us, so that was will be we have my church.local slash about hyphen us. That means whenever there's hyphen there, that means in your in your naming convention you have about space us. So whenever there's space in between your text, the post name would automatically change it to hyphen whenever it wants to whenever it comes um, to the URL convention. So it changes the space to hyphen. So that means this as when the page was being created, it's sample space post. But whenever WordPress wants to access that kind of page, WordPress will automatically change the URL instead of having it to be space, to change it to hyphen because the URL whenever there's space it has meaning to it. So and with that it it will destroy the naming convention. So it can even say that page not found. So that's why automatically WordPress will change it to sample hyphen post about hyphen us. So contact hyphen us, and if that you have it together, there's no need for the hyphen. I hope you understand that. So sometimes it will come with I think the default one sometimes can be day and name or plain. So, but whenever yours is not and a post name, you have to change it to post name. Mine is already at post name. So you scroll down and click on save changes. So after you've done that, we're done with the link because that's the most important thing now. Next thing, go to pages, all page. So what we are going to do, we are trying to clean up those page that was generated. So you can delete both of them. Privacy and you can delete both of them. Just delete it. You can leave this privacy and policy depending on how you want to do it. So let's just move to trash. Apply. So we've already deleted it. So it will not show on your home page anymore. Let's go to post also. All posts. So this is how we can get set all the requirements. So we are trying to move everything to trash because they have no meaning to our work. So let's go to the comment also and we'll do the same thing. Have you done the comment? There's no more comments here. Okay. All right. So let's after this wash. Next thing is to go to the appearance. Go to theme. So I think I'm going to talk about theme plugins in the next video. But now you can see that the default theme comes with the default configuration comes with three themes. We have 2025, 2024, 2023. So we can just delete them, delete them. Okay, we're going to leave the last one. So when we talk about theme, we're going to store the theme we're going to use for our work and other things. So I hope you understand all we've learned in this portion of video. All right, see you in the next class.